So, what Sokalezo feared the most has happened. What he was fearing about his family has happened, has come to pass. Mampo decided to pack all of her clothes and leave, go to the Malapo house and ask for Marobalo. With that, she asked Hore, okay, Waitiking, I'm going through the most now with something that I cannot even discuss. Nikikupa Marobalo and Nikikupa Liskamputa Diputo. But knowing Maria, she kept knocking and knocking, and then Mampo was like, is it so difficult? And that Isaac went on to say, you know what? This is home. You're welcome anytime. So we are not going to ask you anything. You are more than welcome. Teusani Maswafu, and you can just be here. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing House of Sweden. Dima Dekwan, and happy Friday, everybody! Dima Dekwan, Sanbana Nafshen Malweni Minjani, Hipukile Hingowina. So, Namutlaka no Wahina wa House of Sweden, Hikumokoroshula Sansekangi Gashe, looking at the fact that Umuli Fair had a conversation with the lady that Ukoko Wake is sick. I don't care what my grandmother thinks, thinks Guti Wena Ubani, Ukolani, or whatever it is, but you're not just going to barge into our house, Uzenzelumatanda, and make it as if this is hunky doris. No, it's not gonna happen. As if we Maliako Hambo sends charity case, we don't like that. So stop it and just leave the house. It was very awkward for him trying to be a good man and trying to do things right. Now, Lomlisalo, he went on a podcast. Ha! Was Tululindaba, Akulumanga the way Utato, he helped Utato. Tato did not have anything, no clue, no ideas. I went and bought my intellectual property, helping them out, and now as it is, they want to take me out of the contract. Les was watching this through. Now, Uma Sanza is very upset that Umganwake did not tell the truth. As it is, now he is in trouble.